we're going to ask you to play another song, and then we'll let you go. I don't want you to wear your voice out or anything for tonight's show. We want you to be able to get out to the Royal Oak Music Theater tonight and just really wail. And it's a pleasure having you guys here. Can we get you to do another track?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, all you got to do is ask. That's what I like about bands.
Yeah, sure.
You don't have to drag, especially the new guys. Mm-hmm. You don't have to drag it out of them. Want to play?
Sure. Excellent.
How long can we go? How long you got?
Yeah, instead of sitting around, yeah, I guess we'll play.
You know what, though? And that brings up this. You guys are here doing this afternoon. Now, I know while you're out on the road, and I've heard this from a lot of guys, it can be tough being out there because you got a lot. I mean, how long are you on stage? 40 minutes, hour, hour and a half?
Yeah.
And the rest of the time, it's like...
Yeah, it's 95%, 98% of sitting on ass.
Right.
That's it. You get really tired. So you ask us to play a tune. Wow, we get to play. Yeah, okay.
Right on.
That's
cool.
Great.
Great.
Well, we're glad to have you, folks. Rival Sons.
Everything from you. They may take your time, yeah, to think things through. They'll tell you everything that you want to hear until you tell them that what they say is true. And that's when the darkness comes to your loneliness, and your given voice sounds so meaningless. That's when they give your mouth such an eloquence that you think you sound just like your hero. But don't give them your soul. Don't give them your soul. Those same 5 walls. You stare at the ceiling, you try to transcend it all. That's when your doubt creeps in, tells you to break your wings, tells you you need not try, 'cause you're afraid to fall. And that's when the darkness comes to your loneliness, and you're giving voice sounds so meaningless. That's when they give your mouth such an eloquence that you think you sound just like your hero. Darling, I might leave you. I might have somebody at least sometimes be a fool, and I'll mistreat you. But listen, but at the end of it all, and at the end of the day, I only want one thing. Girl, I want you to be you. Be. I said, believe me, you. Don't give them your soul. Don't give them your soul. Your soul. Save that soul. Don't give them your soul. Don't give them your soul. Don't give them your soul. Save that soul for me. Save it. Save it. Save it. Don't you give it away. Yeah, you got to save that soul. Save that soul. Save that soul. Save that soul for me. Thank you.
I'm happy we asked you to play another song. Oh my gosh, we would have missed out on that one. That was fantastic.
God damn, baby, that's all I got to say. I tell you, are you sure that you guys don't have some kind of Detroit blood flowing through your veins? Come up there and
Everybody
play.
plays rock and roll has a little bit, man.
Yeah,
Come on.
you know, to play a blues track like that with such an electrical edge to it, that's Midwest, totally Midwest, and yeah. Well, listen, thanks again for coming. We sincerely appreciate it. We're gonna keep playing your stuff. We're gonna keep talking about the band. We think you're awesome, man. I mean, it's new music, but you guys definitely have an old school mentality as to getting a work. You guys are you're working hard, man. You're working hard, playing hard, and it shows in the music. We appreciate it. Ladies and gentlemen, Rival Sons. Tonight at the Royal Oak Music Theater, do not miss them. And we've got more of your stuff that we're going to play too. So, feel free to hang out if you got some time. Relax. We got food, brother. Anytime, man. Anytime. You guys are fucking awesome, man. I mean, ain't much else we can say. But I will say this. Hands down, so far, I think you guys were the loudest band in the house we had to date. I like that. That's a good thing. Wow. Holy Moses.
I'm going to play Rival Sons. This is Pressure in Time on the UDetroit Radio Network at UDetroit.com.